Hello everyone, I wanted to give a quick review of the Meowoou cat scratching post. The one my cats had previously had reached its end of life, and I wanted something that would blend in better with my overall decor and just add to the area and not take away. So I thought this lifelike looking treetop would be a good addition. As you can see, it came with some catnip dried, which my cats really don't like. I used a spray. Those are the instructions. It's very simple to put together. Took me about 10 minutes, and there you can see it fully assembled. I really like the look of the leaves. As you see, it looks very real. It did not take long for my cat Grim to want to go check it out. And he's always leery of anything and everything. Even when I bring grocery bags into the house, he's the first one to investigate just to make sure everything is okay. And as you can see,